Good morning everyone. Welcome to this video. Student, you all know that we are already completed with chapter 3, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. We learned about the different things in Microsoft PowerPoint. So now as you know that our unit exams are near, so we are not going further. Your chapter is completed. Now we are revising the previous chapter. Okay, we are going to revise the chapter those who are coming in your unit 1 exam. So today I'm going to explain you, I'm going to giving you a revision of chapter 2, that is more on Windows 7. Okay, my computer also have Windows 7 installed in it. You know, Windows is a operating system. Windows क्या है? Windows is a operating system. Okay, a system software of a computer. Okay, computer का software that makes the other programs to run properly and makes all the hardware to work properly. Okay, so your Windows are very upgraded now. They are updated one now from the previous one. So many types of Windows versions are updated year by year. Okay, so Windows 7 is one of the most updated one window. Okay, updated window. So student, it also have so many application entertainment program with it. Okay, your window also consists so many programs with it, just like your accessories, okay, and just like your accessories like calculator, notepad, window media player, sound recorder, these are all the accessories are inbuilt inside the window. It is available with the Windows. Let me show you how to open the accessories. For opening the accessories, you have to let's learn about first the what do we call to this screen. I hope you learned in the previous class also. The screen that is coming after when we on the computer is called desktop. Okay, and these are the icons. Different types of icons are here, just like your document icon, just like your computer icon, just like your application icons. Okay, and this is your start button present in the taskbar. The bar at the bottommost of the bottommost part of the desktop is called your taskbar. Okay, and this is called let me show you. This is called notification area. This is called notification area of the taskbar. It taskbar ka notification area. And this one at the leftmost corner, start button is present. Okay, start button is present at the leftmost corner of the taskbar. Clear? And we will learn about the taskbar more after it. Let's learn about the first how to open the accessories. How to open the accessories? You have to click on the start menu. Okay, click on the start menu. Okay, this is your start button. You have to click on it, and then are you all able to see all programs? So here you have to click on the all programs. As you click on the all programs, wait a minute, as you click on the all programs, then your accessories will come. The option of accessories you need to search. This is your option of accessories. Here you have to click. As you click on the accessories, you can see so many accessories are present here. So one by one I will show you the accessories. If you are able to see, the first accessory is your calculator. This is your calculator accessory. This is your calculator accessory. So this one, if I'll click on it, a calculator will come in front of us. Okay, it will work as your calculator. You can calculate anything from it. Okay, for example, we need to multiply 8 into 8, so it will give you give us a result. Okay, for example, I want to find out the root, so it will give a root also, square it also. Okay, for example, wait a minute. Okay, let me open it again. Just like all programs, your accessories, okay, and your calculator. Okay, so you can see this is your calculator, and here you can do anything whatever you want to do. Okay, Okay, so this is how you can calculate your calculation. For example, you want a square root of 841. Okay, then 29 is the square root. Okay, clear to everyone? The square root of 841 is 29. So this is how you can also just find out the square root, plus, minus, multiply, divide. Okay, so these are the features present in your calculator. This is very helpful. Okay, this is as a accessory you are getting with Windows 7. And now next, let's check the next accessory. Click on the start menu again, and then we'll go in the all programs and go in the accessories option. Where is the accessories option? It is at the top. So we can see there is also one more thing, is notepad. This is your notepad. Here you can type whatever you want to type. Okay, you can make your notes here. It is just like a word. Okay, you can type anything. You can make document of notepad. In notepad you can type any things that you need to remember. You can make notes here. Okay, just like your notebook, you can make notes here. So this is a accessory available with your Microsoft Windows 7. Okay, a notepad where you can make a document. Okay, you can create a document. So this will save as .txt. ओके, जो ये आपका जो प्रोग्राम होता है ये .txt करके सेव होता है. इट मीन्स इसका एक्सटेंशन, द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ नोटपैड डॉक्यूमेंट इज .txt. फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर वर्ड फाइल एक्सटेंशन इज .doc. okay, similarly your notepad extension is .txt. So much editing is not present in this notepad. This is a very simple notepad. Okay, editing is it means editing software is document editing software is your Microsoft Word, that is fully designed for documentation. Okay, and this one is for making the notes. So simple things are there. You can format little bit, you can format also, edit. So you can delete, you can cut, you can paste. These things you can do. Okay, so this is your notepad. Okay, now one more accessory is there that is useful for you, just like your Microsoft Paint. Sorry, not Microsoft, it's Paint. Paint accessory is with you. Okay, so let's see. This is your Paint. I hope you all have done this. सबने ये प्रोग्राम आपने सबने ओपन किया होगा. Everyone you have done with this, and everyone just created something in this only. Okay, this is very good software of painting for doing drawing. Okay, this is your pen. You can draw anything. Okay, just like I'm making it a circle like this. And for color, you can have color on it, or either you can select a color from there. You can have color on it. If I will select, because my drawing is not correct, that's why it fully colored it. So that's I have to Ctrl+Z to undo. Okay, this is undo. Okay, so if you want to erase your drawing, then also you have some eraser facilities also there. Okay, so this is your eraser. So this is your eraser. How to make it big? It Control and plus. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is how you can erase the things from it. Okay, so these are the tools that you can use in your Paint, and you can make drawing. Okay, so this is your Microsoft Paint. So Microsoft Paint is also there, and Windows Media Player is also there. Okay, so Windows Media Player, you can see from your all programs, from accessories, you can see your Windows Media Player. So as you click on the Windows Media Player, you will see your Windows Media Player in front of you. Okay, so this is your Windows Media Player. So you can see this is your window media player, and here you can listen songs, and you can listen your you can watch videos. Okay, and here right now my computer is not attached with speaker, otherwise I will I can show you how I can show you that how music will play. Okay, but right now I'm showing you a video of wildlife. Okay, so this is a video is present here. So this is a video. Okay, so it is basically a video, very short video. Okay, of birds, of like you can have the videos like this. Okay, any video you can select. Okay, the birds are there, very beautiful birds are there. Okay, small. Okay, sloth. So a beautiful video, HD videos you can watch in Microsoft Window Media Player. Okay, okay, and if you want to play again, if you want to go to library, you can go to the library. This is your library. Okay, from here you can play whatever you have in your, for example, I have the bhajan list. Right now it is not present here. So many type of playlist you can make. Okay, you can also create the playlist. आप playlist खुद से create कर सकते हैं, just like there is an option of creating playlist. So from here you can create a playlist, and in that playlist you can save your songs. Okay, you can save your whatever the songs, list of songs you want to save. You can also save the songs from your CD to your computer. Okay, copying the CD, songs or whatever the item, your video or audio from CD to computer, it means ripping of songs from CD to computer. It means ripping. When you are copying something from computer to a CD, then that is called burning. Okay, that will be called burning. उसे हम burning कहते हैं. And these days the CDs are outdated. Now we are using pen drives. So it's very easy to use pen drive. It is just like your drive. You can save it in a playlist also. You can save in your computer system and then make a playlist. It's very easy. Okay, so this is what we can do with it. Okay, now let me tell you more about the Window Explorer. Let me tell you about the Window Explorer and how to open a Window Explorer. Let me explain. You know, Window Explorer will be open from your start menu. Click on the start menu and then you will go to computer option. Okay, computer option, or other way is directly click the computer option. Two ways are there. I'm just going with the first way. This is from the start menu and then computer. Okay, as I clicked on it, a computer window will open. This is called Window Explorer window. Okay, this window is called Window Explorer window. So you are all are able to see there are two panes. Okay, there are two panes in this window. One pane is this, one pane is this. So this pane is called your navigation pane. Okay, this pane is called your navigation pane, and this pane is called your Window Explorer. This is called a detail pane. Okay, this is your detail pane. For example, here you can navigate your folders, drives. Okay, for example, I want to open a My Document folder. As I click on the My Document folder, all the things, all the objects present in your My Document folder will come in front of you in this window. So that's why it is called detailed window. So whenever you will open any folder or a computer, then every time you will get Window Explorer window. Window Explorer. Okay, this is Window Explorer where there are two panes. One is your detail pane, one is your navigation pane. This is called navigation pane because here you are going to select a particular file, folder, drive. Okay, and here you will get a detailed view of that particular drive, your particular file. Clear to everyone? So this is what we can get. Okay, so student, let's learn about your Windows 7 makes your You can also explore pictures in it. There is already I know that in today so many things are there to save your pictures. You can place your picture anywhere. Like you can place your picture in your local disk also, in D drive also. But there is already a space created by a Windows to save your picture. That is your My Picture option. Okay, you can open that from the start menu, and then picture option is there. As you open the picture option, it will display your picture library. Here you can arrange your files of pictures, images. You can organize your pictures here. You can make folders. You can organize your pictures according to your need. So this is a space created by a Windows 7 to you. Okay, this is a utility. This is a utility that is created by Windows. Okay. More on Windows, let's learn about the touch screen. Okay, this window is giving you a facility of touch screen also. Like you can touch the screen. This is not a screen. This is not a touch sensitive screen. If you have a touch sensitive screen, आपके लिए उसके लिए hardware भी वैसा होना चाहिए. Windows is giving facility. Windows is supporting it. ओके, इफ़ आई हैव, अगर मेरे पास ये जो सिस्टम है विंडो, दिस इज माई सैमसंग मॉनिटर, इफ इट वाज touch sensitive, if it will touch sensitive, then I can open on it. Okay, अगर ये टच सेंसिटिव होता तो मैं इजीली इससे टच करके, बिना माउस को इसको टच करके इसको ओपन कर पाती. ओके, बट main thing is that your Windows is supporting. Only you have to bring or buy a screen that supporting your touch. Okay, that's supporting the touch sensitive facility. Okay, so Windows is providing touch sensing property. Okay, so touch screen facility. So you can, without using your mouse, you can use touchscreen option also if you have the hardware like that. अगर hardware आपके पास available है, then you can also use the facility of touch screen. Okay, so you need touch sensitive screen with you. You need a touch sensitive screen with you. Then only you can use this facility of Windows 7. Okay, student. Okay. This Windows makes your screen makes your searching very easier. How? Because in your start menu there is an option of search. Are you all able to see? From here you can search any file, whatever. For example, I want to search a computer file, a named by computer. So as I type computer, all the file related to computer will display in front of me. Are you able to see? All the file and folder related to computer name will display in front of me. So this made searching very easy. Okay, this made the searching very easy. One more thing is there about the taskbar. This is your taskbar, the bottommost bar of your screen. The bottommost bar of your desktop is called taskbar. I already explained you about this is the notification area in a taskbar. Okay, here you get all notification whenever some pen drive is plugged in. For example, I'm plugging in pen drive for you. Now I'm plugged in. So as I plugged in, you can see the option present here. Okay, यहाँ पे आपका एकदम से notification आया and the message will come in front of you कि that this is installed and whatever. A new device when plugged in, a notification always appears here that it is installed. It is not able to install properly, just like this. Okay, when I will connect my computer mobile by Wi-Fi, okay, hotspot to this computer, this message will come here, the connection is there, and whatever the network will show here. Okay, so these type of notification are here. That's why it is called a notification area. In the rightmost corner there is a start button. I already explained you, and here you can pin your favorite object. ओके, यू कैन पिन योर फेवरेट आइकन हेयर. अपने फेवरेट आइकन को आप यहाँ पिन कर सकते हो. जस्ट लाइक इन योर मोबाइल ऑल्सो यू कैन पिन योर फेवरेट आइकन टू योर टास्क बार. देयर इज ऑल्सो अ टास्क बार. आप भी अपने एक बार में अपने फेवरेट आइकन्स को पिन कर सकते हो, जस्ट लाइक इन योर मोबाइल. Similarly, here also you can pin your favorite items. Okay, and the document that is opened or that is minimized will display here. For example, this document is open already, so it will display here. Okay, it will display here. Just like this document is open, it will display here. Okay, so when you will minimize, अभी आपने close नहीं किया, I'm not closing it, then also it will display here. So it will give you a view of whatever work you are doing. So this is the facility of taskbar. You can see different documents that you are open in a very preview manner. You can preview your documents. Okay, you can preview your documents. Okay, so thank you everyone. That is all in your Windows 7, and you can watch the original videos of chapters that is splitted in 2 videos. Okay, I already sent you 2 videos of Windows 7, and you can watch this video as a revision. I will give you some questions based on this revision and next revision collectively in next week. Okay, from first chapter also, from second chapter also. That also you have to revise, and student, you all have to read the books also. It is not necessarily जो मैंने आपको questions कराए वो exam में आएंगे. You have to read the books, you have to watch the videos. Okay, you have to connect with me, like with videos also and with books also. You have to take knowledge. Okay, questions can be framed in a different manner, will be framed in a different manner, and can be from anywhere, from the book, of course from the syllabus, but it will not same as I am giving you in a worksheet. Okay, so thank you everyone. Keep watching the video and be safe at your home.